Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Razrina taking class 2 subject English. Today's class we are going to discuss about the things what you have learned in the first class. This all you have already learned in the first class. So we will test now. How much do you remember? How much whatever you learned in first class, how much do you remember? Okay, come on. What are naming words, children? Everybody have name in this world. Yes, you have name, your mummy, your daddy, your brother, sister, yes, your grandparents, everybody have name. So they are known as names of people. All the people in this world have name. And also next, places. Now all the places also have name. Yes, Hyderabad, Delhi, Calcutta, Pune. Yes, all these are names of place. And also park, where you go to play, that is known as park. Yes, where you go to study, it's a school. Place, where you go to study. So all the places also have name. And also animals, all animals also have name, like dog, cat, fish, frog, yes, rabbit. All animals also have name. Not only we have name, all the things in this world have name. And also things means like book. This is book. Pencil, what is this known as? Book. Yes. What is this known as? Scale. So all the things, what is this? Pencil. So all the things also have name. Not only we have name, all the things, places, animals, birds, everybody have name in this world. Is it clear, children? So all people, come on, repeat after me. All people, places, animals and things around us have name. Yes or no? Everybody have name. We have name, things have name, places have name. Everybody in this world have name. Whatever we see around them, we call it with name. If we see the chair, we will say chair. If we see the desk, we will call it as desk. If we see the book, we will call it as book. If we have eraser, we will call it as eraser. So all the things, all the people, all animals, everybody have name in this world. Whatever we see around us have a name. So all people, places, animals and things have around us have a name. So they are called naming words. What are naming words? All the things, whatever they have name, all places, animals, everybody have name. So they all are called naming words. So in the first bit, circle the naming words. What we should do in the first A bit, it seems circle the naming words. Did you remember now what are naming words? Naming words means names. Names of anything. Name of anything. It may be name of people. It may be name of things. It may be name of animals. It may be name of places. So all things have name. So circle the naming words in the sentences given here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 sentences are given, children. In this we should circle the naming words. Now open your textbook. This is your English grammar textbook. Collins English Grammar and Composition. This is your English grammar textbook. Come on, open your textbook, children. Everybody, open your textbook, page number 11. Open your textbook, page number 11. You will do with these all exercises along with me. You will do these all exercises along with me. After I finish on the board, you copy it very neatly in your textbook. After I finish on the board, you copy it in your textbook. Circle the naming words. First bit, what is given? Circle the naming words. First we will read the sentence. The boy eats the cake. What is the first sentence? The boy eats the cake. What they told? Circle the naming words. Can you say how many naming words are there in this? The boy. Boy? Yes, boy is the name. Eats the cake. Cake is also name of the thing that you eat. Yes or no? All the boys are called boys. Yes or no? All boys are called boys. So in this we will circle. What is the naming word here? Boy. And also cake. And also cake. So we will circle 2 in the first sentence. The boy eats the cake. Eat is the action word. Eat is the action word. Eat is not a name. So boy and cake are named. Okay children. Second one, Radha sings a song. What Radha is doing? She is singing a song. What is the name in this? Yes, here we have the name of a person. Radha. Radha is the name. So we will circle Radha in the second one. Sings? No, it is an action word. Yes, Radha sings a song. Radha is the name of the person. Third one, I live in New Delhi. What is the naming word in this? I live in New Delhi is the name of the place. New Delhi is the name of the place. So we will circle in third one, New Delhi. Now move to the fourth one. Amit goes to school. Amit goes to school. Amit, what is Amit? Amit is the name of the person. So we will circle Amit goes to school. School is what? School is also name of the place. School is name of the place. School is the place where we go and learn. So Amit goes to school. Amit is the name of the person. School is the name of the place. Then the table is strong. The table is strong. How is the table? Strong. Here what is the naming word in this? Table. Table is the name of the thing. Table is the name of the thing. So we will circle table. Is it clear children? In these 5 sentences we have circled the naming words. We have circled the naming words. The boy eats the cake. Yes, Radha sings a song. I live in New Delhi. Amit goes to school. This table is strong. Yes, understood? All these whatever we circle are naming words. Whatever words we circled in this first exercise is the naming words. Now move to the second one. Underline the doing words. Now first say me what are doing words. Now what you are doing? Writing. Yes, any action, any work is done is known as doing word. All the action words are known as doing words. All the action words are known as doing word. Now what I am doing? I am teaching. Yes, teaching is action. Running, jumping, skating. Yes, skipping, writing, sleeping, drinking, eating. All these are action words. Action words means what action you are doing or somebody is doing. Yes. Underline the doing words. Doing words means action words. Doing words means action words. I read the book. So I read the book. What you are doing in that? You are reading the book. So reading is the action word. All the action words like swimming, running, jumping. All these are known as action words. So in this sentence we will underline the action words. In this sentence we will underline the action words. Read the first sentence. The sun shines brightly. What the sun is doing? What action the sun is doing? The sun is shining. What action the sun is doing? The sun is shining. So shining is the action word here. Is it clear children? Shining is the action word. Birds fly in the sky. What the birds are doing in this sentence? Birds fly. What action birds are doing? They are flying. So fly is the action word. Is it clear? Next, flowers grow on plants. Flowers grow on plants. What flowers are doing? They are growing. What flowers are doing? They are growing. So grow is the action word. Underline. Grow is the action word. Is it clear children? Next, fourth one. Birds live on tree. What birds are doing? They are living on trees. So what is action here? Live. What is action here? Live. Birds live on trees. Next, I read book. What you are doing? I read book. What I am doing? I am reading a book. So what is action in that? Read. What is action in that? Read. So we will underline read. Is it clear? All the action words. All the action words are known as doing word. All the action words are known as doing words. So in this sentence we have underlined all the action words, all the doing words. What the sun is doing? The sun is shining. So shine is the action word. What the birds are doing? They are flying. So fly is the action word. Flowers grow. What flowers are doing? They are growing. Birds live. What birds are doing? They are living on trees. So live is the action word. I read book. What is action in that? Read. Yes, book is the naming word. Book is the naming word. Read is what? Action word. Yes, underline the doing word. So in this bit we have underlined all the doing words. Now move to C1. Fill in the blanks with describing words. Now say me what are describing words. Say children, what are describing words? Words that describe a person. Any word that describe a person, place or animal or thing is known as describing words. Yes. Suppose if you want to describe your father, how you will say? My father is very tall. Yes. He loves us very much. He goes to office. He is a good person. Yes. If you want to say something about your mother, what you will say? My mother is lovely. My mother cooks delicious food. Yes. Whatever describe, you want to describe about something, about a person or about a place, all that are known as describing words. If you want to describe a person, we'll say few words like the girl is tall, the girl is beautiful. How is the girl? The girl is tall. How is the girl? The girl is beautiful. So these all are action words like tall, big, small. This is a long scale. So what is the describing in this? This is a scale, but how it is? It is long. So that is describing word. It is a scale, but how it is? This is long. So long scale. Long is the describing word. Saying something about, describing words are saying something about people, places, animals or things. Yes, if you want to say something about your dog, what you will say? My dog is very small. Yes, he eats, he likes to eat biscuits. So if you want to describe anything about any person, place or animal thing, we use describing words. We use describing words. Tall, short, big. Yes children, fill in the blanks with describing words. Now in the third one, we will fill it with describing words. Here few words are given in this children. We should see these words and we will fill up. We will use these words to fill up these blanks. See here third bit. S-O-F-T, soft. T-A-L-L, tall. P-I-N-K, pink. H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. C-O-L-D, cold. So we will use these 5 words to fill these 5 gaps. Is it clear? 5 dashes. We will use these 5 words to fill these 5 dashes. So describing words means if you want to say something about any person, place, we use describing words. Now for example, we will learn this. My dress is dash in color. Here some words are given. No, these 5 words. We should use these 5 words to fill. Soft, tall, pink, heavy, cold. So which is correct in this? My dress is dash in color, pink in color. So we will write P-I-N-K, pink. My dress is pink in color. Next one. It is a dash tree. How are trees? Trees are tall and strong. How are trees? Trees are tall and strong. So it is a tall tree. It is a what is? How is the tree? The tree is tall. How is the tree? The tree is tall. My cat has dash fur. Fur means the hair that is on the cat's dogs. You will put your hand on the dog, cat, how it will be? The hair will be very smooth. That is known as fur. So the cat has soft. Yes, so F-T, soft fur. My cat has soft fur. Jim has a dash bag. Yes, you will carry your bag on shoulders. How it will be? Sometimes your bag will be heavy. So Jim is carrying the bag that is very heavy. So Jim has a heavy bag. Say heavy spelling H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. Jim has a heavy bag. Next, ice is. How the ice will be? Cool or hot? Cold. So ice is cold. C-O-L-D, cold. These all are describing words. Describing words means saying something about person, place, animal or thing are known as describing words. That describes, describing words means that describes, describe means tells. Tell something about person, place, animal or thing. Yes. These are describing words children. Now you will write A, B, C, you will complete in your textbook. Page number 11, you will complete A bit, B bit and C bit very neatly in your textbook with neat handwriting. Copy from the board, all 3 bits are given on the board. Copy it neatly and write it neatly, children. Is it clear? Sharpen your pencils and do it very neatly. Thank you, children.